Don't you ever think ahead?
Hell no. If I stopped to think ahead, I wouldn't be emperor, and I wouldn't even be here in the year 3000.
Introducing element 51, antimony. (160 degrees), 244 degrees. The furnace is at 1196 degrees. I have it set for 1200. Like I said, the melting point is supposed to be 1163. All these measurements are in freedom units. We don't use that centigrade around here, boy. We don't take kindly to Celsius. And it is still not melted. Temperature is 1048 inside the crucible. I was thinking it was going to be ready. I'll bring you back when it is. We increased it to 1250, and we've added some more element 51. It's molten. We got stuff floating on the top of it from the insulation from the lid. I have no idea how this is going to come out, but I am ever hopeful. I have no idea. That didn't work like I wanted it to. Anyway, we got some of it off. Let's see if we can pour it here. 171, 163. Alright. Holy Mother full of grace, help me win this stock car race. You know what? I forgot to level this. These are not going to be perfectly flat. Look at the white powder. The little square has like risen up. It's almost like zinc. It's giving off that white oxide. Oh, where am I going? I had more than I thought.
It's just like the story of the grasshopper and the octopus. All year long, the grasshopper kept burying acorns for winter, while the octopus mooched off his girlfriend and watched TV. But then the winter came, and the grasshopper died, and the octopus ate all his acorns, and also he got a race car. Is any of this getting through to you?
That's a pretty quick and dirty heat. Let's see if we did anything. 300 degrees, 330 degrees. So yeah, I say we did something. Let's see if we can pour the rest of this. So I've been sitting here talking and talking and talking, and I have no idea when the camera turned itself off. But we poured the antimony, and we had a lot of degradation to the, or I say a lot, we had some degradation to the mold. We had a considerable amount of black powder come off with the pores, right? I've cleaned this mold out and inspected it, and it doesn't look bad at all. But given the amount of black powder that came out, I'm not going to recommend this metal for use on graphite molds. It's just, can you see that? That doesn't happen with anything else. So we got to assume that there's some sort of chemical reaction going on between the molten antimony and the graphite in the mold. And it's causing some small amount of mold degradation each time you use it. More so than any other metal I've done so far. So we're going to avoid this in the future. And this might be the one and only antimony skull that I make. This is a gift to Idaho Scrounger. John, I'm going to be sending this your way as soon as I get it cooled off and cleaned up. And this has been Man Mountain Link. I appreciate you joining us. And we will see you next time.